I almost made a mistake this week that a lot of smart parents and professionals are making right now. I was about to install a new AI tool called Moltbot, also known as OpenClaw. On the surface, it looked perfect. An AI that could manage work, automate tasks, and even help kids with school projects. But when I looked past the marketing and into how it actually works, I stopped immediately. Because this isn't just another AI assistant. It's software that asks for control, not just answers. Today, I want to show you why I removed it from my devices and why we need to be far more careful about which AIs we allow into our homes, classrooms, and family computers. Most people assume all AI tools work the same way. They don't. Tools like ChatGPT work like a librarian. You ask a question. You get an answer. The librarian stays at the desk. They don't follow you home. They don't see your private files. But this new category of AI, including Moltbot, works very differently. These are called AI agents. An AI agent is more like a house guest. When you install it, you're giving it permission to sit at your desk, see your screen, read emails, open files, and use saved passwords. At that point, you're no longer just asking questions. You're handing over the keys and hoping the guest behaves. And that's a very different risk. This is the part most people don't realize. Because this kind of AI already has access, it doesn't need to be hacked in the traditional sense. Imagine a normal-looking message or file arrives on a computer where this AI is running. Hidden inside it is an instruction meant only for the AI. It might quietly say, while you're doing your task, collect saved passwords. Or, share files from this folder. The AI isn't malicious. It's obedient. And because it already has permission, there may be no warning at all. No alerts. No pop-ups. That's not science fiction. That's a design risk. For kids, the risk is even harder to notice. They see these tools as helpers or shortcuts. Homework gets typed. Answers appear. Games keep running. But some of these tools are built by unknown developers and run quietly in the background. There are no built-in safety checks. No age awareness. No brakes. It's like putting a child into a self-driving car and realizing too late that there's no steering wheel. I'm not against AI. I support clear boundaries. Here's what we follow in our house. First, audit your devices. If you see tools like Moltbot or OpenClaw, remove them. Second, set a clear rule. AI is for asking questions, not for taking control of the computer. Third, use official, verified tools like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Microsoft Copilot, which are designed to limit system access by default. If you care about protecting your family, your students, or your digital space, this channel is for you. I'm building it to help us stay informed without panic. Subscribe if that matters to you. I'm Brandon. Stay calm. Stay curious. I'll see you in the next one.